Oh, glória!
It has been more than 30 days that doesn't rain here in Madrid, Spain. And now, after the decree, the mightiest prophets of the Lord, now, today, June 3rd, it's rain! 8:25 p.m. local time. Here in Madrid, Spain, it's rain. We are here with the host pastor Danilo. We are here with Archbishop Fernando. The rain has come. 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 The rain. Now here, Madrid, Spain, 3rd June. Now 8:25 p.m. More than 30 days that has not been rain here in Madrid, Spain. And now it's rain. The rain has come. The rain has come. The rain has come.